1981 Honda CB900 Custom. We're going to show a cold start. Later video will be a ride and drive. Pipes are cold, ice cold. All original Honda pipes and all. Here we go. Fuel. Choke. Switch. On. Okay, all the lights work, brake lights. She is electrically and mechanically a 10. That's the end of this one.